Good morning. We are live with a breaking update on our streaming platforms. I'm Bria Love, and within the last hour, the Supreme Court of the United States has ended constitutional protections for abortion that have been in place for nearly 50 years. Let's go ahead and take a live look at the Supreme Court right now. This is a decision by its conservative majority to overturn the court's landmark abortion cases. Now, with this ruling, more than half of the United States could ban most abortions. Take a look outside. You can see plenty of people gathered. They've been gathered since yesterday. The states, though, that you see here on your screen in orange are certain to ban abortion. And the states in yellow have something called trigger laws, where most abortions will automatically be banned. In many cases, those states make abortions a felony, which is punishable with time in prison as well as fines. Now, just earlier this week on Tuesday, Louisiana's governor signed two stricter anti-abortion bills into law. Abortion providers in that state initially faced prison terms of 1 to 5 years and fines up to $50,000. The new law increases prison terms of 1 to 10 years, and those fines go up to $100,000. There are no exceptions for abortions performed in cases of rape or incest, only when the mother's life is in danger. So here in California, state lawmakers are making moves to make the Golden State an abortion sanctuary. State lawmakers are debating 14 new bills right now that could become law. ABC 10's political reporter Morgan Reiner with the Reiner Report joins us now. So, Morgan, can you explain what these bills do?
One will create a fund to help pay for women to get abortions. That could mean costs of travel and lodging. Another allows nurse practitioners to perform early abortions. All 14 of these bills are moving forward.
It's a hard feeling for Chair of the California Women's Caucus, Cristina Garcia, to describe.
The idea of losing a right, and that's never happened in my life. It's just also just dumbfounding to me.
On one hand, she didn't think it would actually happen.
But that quickly shifted to I'm not surprised. And then just appreciative that the caucus has been prepared. In January, we announced a package of 13 bills.
AB 1666 protects patients and health professionals who perform an abortion from lawsuits when the claims are based on laws in other states. AB 2091 enhances privacy protections for medical records to law enforcement and out-of-state third parties. AB 2223 ensures that no one in California will be investigated, prosecuted, or incarcerated for experiencing pregnancy loss.
Happy to report that every single bill is moving through the legislature. They're also accompanied with over $140 million in the budget. Just blessed that we have leadership in both houses and the governor and the caucus to make sure this gets done.
Following the leaked draft decision, the legislature has added a 14th bill, a constitutional amendment to enshrine the right to abortion that is quickly making its way through the process.
We will fight hard with every legal tool possible. We will also fight with our vote.
The bills may be moving forward with a Democratic supermajority, but not all lawmakers are on board. Republican Assembly member Tom Lackey, who adopted 2 children, is pro-life.
I vote no on every bill that supports the decision to destroy an innocent life. That's just the position I will always take, and it's based on my moral commitment.
Says his decision to vote no on all 14 of these bills is not just religious.
I believe that it's in the best interest of our Constitution to allow states to make such a sensitive decision. And I think it's misunderstood what the overturning of this court decision will do.
So when do these bills go into effect? Some of them have an urgency clause, which means they will go into effect as soon as the governor signs them. Most of them, though, will take effect on January 1st.
Well, Morgan, one question I want to ask you is, we've known since the draft opinion was leaked back in May that Governor Newsom's been pretty outspoken about this. What do you think we could expect to hear from him today?
Well, the second that draft decision was leaked, Newsom came out and said this is the #1 voting issue. We immediately started to see campaign emails from him asking people to donate because of this specific issue. So we expect between now and November, and even beyond that, he's going to use this to help drive people to the polls.
Morgan, thank you.